morning, everybody. It's not morning. Davis and I are hungry and we ordered pizza, but the roads are really bad outside, so they're not delivering. So we're gonna go pick it up ourselves, even though we shouldn't because the roads are dangerous outside. So let's go get a pizza. It's ready. The pizza's been ready for like 5 minutes now.
I picked myself up out of the ashes.
Davis, the pizza has been ready for like 5 minutes now. Davis, the pizza has been ready for like 5 minutes now.
You've been playing this game the entire day and you've had the headset on the entire time. You know you can't hear.
The roads are seriously really bad and we shouldn't be driving, but pizza. Why are you taking so long? Davis, slow down. Davis. It's really slippery. I might fall. Oh man, that was a bad idea. My hand's cold. Davis, my hand's cold. So as Davis was wiping off the snow from the car, I will kind of explain what's going on. I'm hungry. Davis is hungry. It snowed a lot, so we weren't able to go anywhere all day. Our car's trapped. We shouldn't be driving. But pizza. I got a couple messages from you. Some people wanted to know why I'm not as crazy anymore. Ooh, look at this. How exciting. I am. I seriously am. I'm just not on crack anymore like I used to be. Hey, bathroom hobo.
Can you spare any change? My wife was murdered by monkey spider whales.
It's really cold, and I don't know if we're gonna survive this. Like I said, the roads are really bad. Davis's tires are trapped in the snow. I think you saw. Maybe you saw. I'm not going back out there. Anyways, today's my last day in Michigan. Going back to Phoenix. I've been here for Thanksgiving, and yeah, I really just want pizza, and I need to pack. So yeah, how exciting.
We're gonna have to wait for that to melt a bit. We're going home. I'm not getting pizza. We're not getting pizza.
Yeah, no, we're stuck. We're really stuck here. Really bad. This is so funny. Do you want to take the wheel?
Nah.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah.
Dave says we're not gonna get pizza, and I'm livid. Can't believe that this has happened. I can't believe that this could happen. I thought it would. I didn't think that we would only make it, you know, a quarter of a mile from the house. And I didn't think we would be stuck for this long. We've been here for maybe 20 minutes. It's past my bedtime. Davis is upset. And I'm cold. Mission failed.
We'll get him next time.
I don't think that's...
Stay the left, bro. Stay the to the left. Stay the left. Here we go. I'm never getting pizza for you ever again.
If she asks, that's what we did. That's what we did. We what?
Moved my car so I could get out in the morning and filmed. Because it's true.
Well, that failed pretty terribly bad. Davis is really salty now.
I'm just freezing cold.
He's salty. I'm hungry, but he got me some milk, so that will do. Milk is just as good as pizza. Just kidding, that's not true. Milk is not as good as pizza. Instead of getting sleep, he's gonna be playing Call of Duty while we have to wake up in the morning and drive to Milwaukee. We're gonna try, so let's see how that goes.